I'm waking up like how the hell can I get better today? I gave myself that confirmation, boy, you already great. I'm undefeated.
Hey guys, it's Mike with the Health and Style channel. I wasn't going to make a video tonight, but I felt like it was just time. And this is not financial advice, this is for entertainment purposes only. One of my current largest portfolio crypto investments is in Zombie Zinu right now. And Zombie, as you could tell, this is CoinMarketCap. Over the last, let's go back 7 days, it's gone up, it's gone down, it's gone up, it's gone down. But after I share with you a little bit about why I believe this is the right time to get in, I'm going to go a little bit into the details behind Zombie Zinu and just developers and just the positive things that I see that make this a good investment. So first off, if you go 1 month, so it starts out back here. Now this started in early November, so it's a very early project, and plus that's a plus, right? That's a plus. So you could tell the total market cap is pretty low, right? About $500,000, and that is low for a crypto that's trying to gain momentum. As you could tell, it goes up to look at the volume, the 24-hour volume, millions, right? Go up to 3, 4, then it shoots up to like 8, 9, 10. 11, 12 million. So that happens really because it could have been listed on a popular exchange, or again, their marketing, as you'll see, has really picked up quite a bit. This goes up, it goes down, it goes up and goes down. And then you could tell like this is whale manipulation, right? So you had your big investors throwing in a whole bunch of cash here, then it goes up. And they're like, all right, starting to go down, let me sell. So this is called whale manipulation. But you see over the last week or so, it's coming together pretty nicely, right? You're not seeing too big gains, not seeing much of a loss. It's gone down a little bit, but you're seeing consolidation, which is good, right? Because it creates a new floor for the crypto. It's gaining, people are holding, less people are selling off. And you're really seeing the true potential here, which is like the new floor. So like, see, this was the original floor, right? It goes up, and now here's a new floor, and hopefully, I think it's going to keep going up. But again, that's my own opinion. This is not financial advice, but I'm going to go a little bit into how you buy it, and then, we'll go from there. So the first thing you do is always review the white paper. So white paper is the timeline. All cryptos, in my opinion, I went over this in my last video, but you should really review the white paper to see what the path is for that cryptocurrency. And you see here, really awesome, like Zombie Shiba, very familiar. If you know what Shiba Inu or Dogecoin is, you'll know this is a play off the Inu cryptos. And then Zombie. Zombie is a very easy term to remember, right? You have some like Mononoke Inu or the other one with the P. I don't even know. There's a few that are just very hard to remember, right? So you want to make sure it's catchy. I think this is catchy, but this is the white paper from this year. So let me see if I can. So, they are listed currently, and this is updated frequently. Uniswap, PancakeSwap, but also LBank, which is a new exchange for them, as well as Bitmart is a new exchange for them. But the best thing about LBank, Bitmart, I'm not so familiar with these two, but it's good that they're on it, is that the fees are much less. So in the beginning, you had to buy it on these two. If you have Ethereum or BTC in any of your wallets, maybe you'd feel inclined to still swap on here. Just the gas fees on PancakeSwap are a lot if you're using the Ethereum side of things. So I would recommend, LBank. I like Bitmart personally. I'm more familiar with it. I have invested in some projects on Bitmart. LBank is very similar to Bitmart, but I personally prefer to use Bitmart. It's easy to send BTC or Ethereum there, and it supports all those. So, and the fees are pretty low. So. I'm not a paid sponsor from any of these. I'm just a fan. And then you see trading tools, right? It's a bridge. You could stake it. When you stake Zombie Inu, you actually receive Shiba, which is pretty cool. You could swap it social platform, right? There's NFTs that are coming out, in-browser gameplay. So these are all the plans, right? Hold the chat rooms. You share stories and benefits and all that. There's actually, if you look it up, there's a very popular gym in Las Vegas that is accepting all zombie holders that get a discount from going there. So again, that makes it more of a utility token. NFTs, 10,000 launch coming, which is awesome. NFT Launchpad Marketplace, and the NFT pool to Zinu holders. So overall, you could see, and this is pretty cool, the PDE game is developed by AAA game developers. I actually saw something recently, if you go on their Instagram, that it is something that it's a AAA game developer that's with some of the biggest name games that we know. So that's pretty exciting. And then you can hashtag follow Zombie Mob, and you get a lot of information from Telegram, which is where once I downloaded the Telegram and I saw the messaging they were putting out, they're very responsive, seem pretty responsible, and you don't see any scammers on there. So that made me want to join in. But you go through everything here. There's merch, but this is what I'm talking about here. It's how many different cryptos do you see coming out with some really awesome animations? So when it comes to Zinu, what I like is that some of their developers are from Amazon, Intel, Microsoft, and there's one other that I'm forgetting here. It's Google, I believe. So they're engineers that either still work there. I believe that they don't work there any longer. But the fact that they have them in the back working, I mean, you don't see SHIB or Dogecoin do anything like this. I mean, I think it's very unique. Look at all these and you guys can see this for yourself, right? If you download their white paper, you see all this stuff. This is really interesting, and they post all this on their social media. So this is the gym I was telling you guys about, right? So they're really getting interactive with fitness, and as the metaverse goes on, people are going to start utilizing, these sort of NFTs and I think just cryptocurrencies, and I think it's just going to be a way of life. Sort of how the stock market became a way of life for a lot of people. I think crypto is going to as well. So just my own opinion. So we create a Zinu token to feature a myriad of utilities, including its ability to be bridged across multiple chains, right? So the good thing about Zinu is that you can trade it from Ethereum to the Ethereum side and then the BSC side, right? So you can't interchange them though, so don't make that mistake. But you're able to purchase, if you have Trust Wallet, you go on Pancake Swap, it's swap for a Binance Smart Chain, Zinu, or if you have Coinbase Wallet or MetaMask Wallet, you're able to switch, trade and convert any Ethereum token to a Zinu Ethereum. So it's very, very unique. There's not many cryptos that are like that. And I think that really makes it easy, a rich, easy investment, right? To know that it's supported from both sides. Now, primarily, if you look at both of them, so I have about 110 billion in my Ethereum, my Coinbase wallet, and about 80 billion in my Trust Wallet. You could tell it goes up, maybe not the same, but pretty close every single day. So if Ethereum goes up, then the Coinbase wallet may go up slightly more. But when you go on to, when you go into Dex tools, right? So let me show you guys. So you go into Dex tools, you can actually do two things, right? And that's why I like using Dex tools, is that you can type it in Zinu, right, which is their term shortened. So you could tell they have it in Ethereum, right? And then you scroll down, and then here's the Binance one. So there's 13,000 holders that swap via Pancake Swap for the Binance Smart Chain token. And then you have Uniswap 9,400. And again, on Uniswap, all you have to do is go with Coinbase wallet, and you can actually, down in the middle, there's a window. Click the window, type in uniswap.org, and then it comes up. So anyway, overall right now looks like total there's about 22,000 holders, which is a lot because in the last, 3 weeks ago when I got in, there's only like 4,000 holders. So it is going up quite a bit, and it's consolidating, which is a good sign. Cool. So I use Dex Tools for that. But anyway, a little bit more about Zombie Zinu. Okay, we'll go back to the white paper for a second. So the tokenomics allow 5% of all transactions to go towards marketing, which you'll see, and I'll show you in a moment. Just their marketing is just unbelievable. 4% towards development, 1% redistributed back to holders, right? Including a burn of tokens with every single transaction, which is unique. Right now, I believe there's 1 quadrillion tokens. There in the beginning there was, I'm sure, like trillions, hundreds of trillions have already been burned, but yeah, it's encouraging, right? And redistributed, so there's reflections, right? So when I talk to you guys, I talk to my friends about reflections, it means when you hold and say someone else sells, then you get a piece of the pie. So every time you refresh your screen, you guys are going to see more tokens. So our central focus while developing this project is driven by how we can bring the most long-term value to Zinu holders. So I hope they go over a few other things in here because they do update the white paper frequently. Yes, here we go. All right, so CertiK is the security gold standard for cryptocurrencies, all right? And the fact that so soon, and I heard CertiK was pretty backed up back when I was looking at another crypto that I'm not going to name because I just think it's sort of a rug pull. And if you want to know what I'm thinking, you guys can feel free to guess at the bottom. But you could see that they started their CertiK Skynet security audit, and they actually got approved very quickly. Within a month, less than a month, they got CertiK audited and they got approved. That is like the equivalent to, the best possible security that you can have, protecting your business at all times. Like they did all of this. They invested a lot of their value, their money, into making sure this is done to make us investors feel safer about it. I would encourage you all to make sure that any cryptocurrency that you decide you might want to throw some money at, that you make sure that at least on their white paper it says a timeline of when they're going to be CertiK audited. So this is really awesome, and I think any of you that are thinking about maybe getting in, this should really help you make your decision a bit easier. So that's that. All right, so I went over this before. This is the bridge, Zombie Swap, right? So on their website, they have an easy-to-use portal if you want to swap Ethereum or BSC to Zinu. They're staking. So let's go over staking real quick. So it says, as we develop more utilities for Zinu holders, it's important that we build in a staking functionality to reward long-term holders, invest in the project. With staking now live on our website, users trading on the Ethereum network can stake their Zinu holders and earn SHIB, and on the BSC network earn BNB, Binance token, right? Binance coin, wrapped, W means wrapped, right? So paying homage to Shiba Inu is important as we grow, right? So that means when you stake and you keep it there for a long time, right? What does it say here? It says 14 days, right? Stake 14 days. So if you stake it, you earn SHIB after 14 days. That's super, super cool. So going forward, the Zombie Den. So the Zombie Den is a community where it's going to be like an interactive community where you can coordinate and connect with people. So overall, I think it's really, really awesome. I think this is a great token. It looks like they're sticking to plan. These are some of the exchanges. The Bitmart's coming soon. I believe December 3rd. And the good thing about Bitmart, LBank, and whatnot, you don't have to put in your bank information or anything like that. You just create a profile. I'm a fan of Bitmart, like I said before, and these NFTs, so super cool graphics. All right, their theme song is actually sung by Nick Carter, so it's getting some attraction from some celebrities, even though I don't know if he's been a celebrity anymore. I guess he kind of is, but you gotta listen to the song. I'm not gonna sing it for you. Nope. And then you can go on YouTube and look at some other artists, and you see like Young M.A., and you see some pretty awesome celebrities getting into it. Cool. So I'm not. Eventually, hopefully, Elon promotes it, but I'm not going to get into that right now. So last thing I want to get into before we wrap up here is a little more about their marketing. Okay. I just want to show you guys some really, really cool videos. Sign in. Okay. Sorry, guys. You follow me on Twitter. Okay. I'll say the password, but you guys can't tell what it is. Okay, health stealth _ follow me. All right, so let's look up Zinu. Okay. So about 10,000 followers now. Make sure you follow, but some of their marketing is just like off the chains. So you have this one. Everyone talks about going to the moon, but like this animation here, literally flying to the moon. This is supposed to be a replica of the new Tesla vehicle that's coming out. This is like the coolest one they made recently. It's like getting to the holiday spirit. There's literally a Shiba Inu on the roof of a snowy roof. So anyway, wanted to show you guys that. But again, you do your own research. I wanted to get on here and show you guys what Zinu is all about. Get your bag now. I mean, let's just look one more time. Let me just show you one more time where I think it's going to go. I think this is a coin that can 100x for sure. I just think you got to be patient. I know a lot of you want to get quick in, quick out, but the name of the game, in my opinion, is if it's a good project, like wait for them to do their stuff. Get in early and then just like chill. Like if I take out my initial investment and then I just chill, and if you guys are so addicted to checking every 5 seconds, just write down your password or your 12-digit security code, and 12-word security code, and then just delete the app. See, it's been going up a little bit. I think by January, will probably be up maybe 10.7, maybe up near 10.9, right? I bet we're pretty level to here. I think as they keep going with their marketing and whatnot, there's no reason why by February or March we can't be back up to where we were when we first started. But I think this is like a 2, 3, 4 year hold at least before you start seeing a 0 or 2 taken off. Be patient, like I said. There's big things in the works for them, but good things take time. So overall, guys, that's all I got. Stay healthy, stay stealthy, and make sure that you're taking care of yourself. And the holiday season's coming up, so make sure you take care of others too. And you guys be safe out there, all right? Peace.
I'm waking up like how the hell can I get better today? I gave myself that confirmation, boy, you already great. I'm undefeated.